National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for North Central Greene County in Central Virginia, West Central Madison County in Northwestern Virginia until 5 p.m. At 1:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Nope.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fletcher, Hood, Graves Mill, McMullen. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a...
Some more spookies happening. Severe thunderstorm warning. But for where though?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Madison County in Northwestern Virginia, North Central Greene County in Central Virginia until 3 p.m. At 1:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Standardsville, Oregon, 9 miles west of Madison, and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Fletcher and Graves Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It's cool. We
And now a
basically
special weather statement.
shut up. Basically confirmed the hail part like 6 minutes before they issued the warning. That's crazy. Radar scope is awesome.
Central Grant County in eastern West Virginia, southwestern Hardy County in eastern West Virginia, northeastern Pendleton County in eastern West Virginia until 6:30 p.m.
I did not have my camera on me.
PM, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or
Come on,
expected
radar
to begin
scope.
shortly.
Stop being a butthole.
Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Stop it.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Millam, Deer Run. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Here?
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
There it is. This one over here.
And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service.
Another one?
The Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Central Rockingham County in Western Virginia until 4:15 p.m. At 1:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Broadway, Singer's Glen, Cherry Grove, Sparkling Springs. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Station KZZ-28, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency. Flood watch in effect through this evening. Flash flood.
Alright, let's check out what's going on here in I am bot land. We're just out of it, so oof, but we'll probably get those warnings. Okay, we're in this. Guys, look at all of this crap. Look at oh god. Oh my goodness. What the world? Delayed report. Reports lightning. 4 people standing near a tree in Lafayette Park were struck by lightning. 2 were killed, 2 were critically injured. That's why you don't stand by trees during a lightning storm.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Madison County in northwestern Virginia until 2:30 p.m.
That's for Madison.
At 1:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Big Meadows, or 9 miles northwest of Madison, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Big Meadows, Creek-Lasville, Banco, Edmond, Nevers, Haywood, Ayler, and Syria. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
No! Wait, what? Flood warning? Was it flash? Yeah, flood warning.
Weather Service. For the following counties in West Virginia, Hardee and Pendleton, and Rockingham, Virginia. Flood warning in effect until 8:15 p.m. this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include portions of Western Virginia and eastern West Virginia, including the following counties in Western Virginia, Rockingham, in eastern West Virginia, Hardee and Pendleton. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 8:15 p.m. Friday.
Now you come through.
Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 2:13 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Franklin, Brandywine, Upper Tract, Oak Flat, Deer Run, Ruddle, Brushy Run, Seneca Rocks, Riverton, Criders, http://www.weather. Governor/safety flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
There it is.
Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
I think.
The severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Madison County is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits.
Yeah.
No longer poses an immediate threat to life or property.
No.
Therefore, the warning has been canceled.
I don't know where it is.
It's still possible with this thunderstorm. To report severe weather.
Oh well. Alrighty, I'm gonna quickly switch to my other camera, so
The National Weather Service. For the following counties in Virginia, Augusta, and Nelson. Flood warning in effect until 8:45 p.m. this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include portions of central Virginia and western Virginia, including the following counties in central Virginia, Nelson. In western Virginia, Augusta. Hazardous weather conditions are expected until 8:45 p.m. Friday. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 2:35 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Winter Green, New Lisford, Tyrell, Bryant, Jonesboro, Massesville, Roseland, Piney River, http:/www.weather. Governor/safety flood turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
oh crap, I forgot I had this on 24 frames per second. Oops. I'm gonna change that really quickly.
The areas affected include
oh yay! There we go. Now we're nice and smooth.
Including the following counties in western Virginia, Rockingham. In eastern West Virginia, Hardee and Pendleton. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 8:15 p.m. Friday. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 2:13 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area.
Everybody's getting this severe potential. Our county is in this, so that's fun. But it's like at the very end, so we're probably not going to get anything. But forecasting zones are, so we're going to get the warning! Oh. Uh-oh, flash flood, watchy! Wait, why didn't this get a where is it? Oh, they're late. Stupid butthole. Oh, it's Ross! Oh, crap!
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until midnight tonight. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood watch for portions of central Virginia, east central Virginia,
I also hear a lot of thunder out there.
North central Virginia, and southeast Virginia, including the following areas in central Virginia: Amelia, eastern Chesterfield, including Call, Heights, eastern Hanover, eastern Henrico, eastern Louisa, Savannah, Richland, Powhatan, western Chesterfield, western Hanover, western Henrico, including the city of Richmond, and western Louisa. In east central Virginia, Charles City, eastern Essex, eastern King William, eastern King and Queen, New Kent, Richmond, western Essex, western King William, western King and Queen, and Westmoreland. In eastern Virginia, Gloucester, Lancaster, Matthews, Middlesex, and Northumberland. In north central Virginia, Caroline. In southeast afternoon and evening. Localized totals of 3 inches or greater are possible in spots. A few instances of flash flooding are likely, especially in urban areas. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop to lead to flash flooding.
That was
Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Alright, cool. Cool.
This is a statement from the
Hold
National
up.
Weather Service.
What is going on out there? Where's that coming from? Oh, it's over there. Oh crap, look at that. It's coming from the south. That's why. So we can't see it over here. Have this one on just in case. Wow. Listen to that. Hey dude, you might want to get off the dock now. Now might not be the best time to go fishing. Who am I kidding? I'd do the same thing if I really wanted to, but I want to videotape the storms right now. Wow. This is a very electric storm. This is a statement.
For the following counties in West Virginia, Hardy and Pendleton, and Rockingham,
It's not for
Virginia.
us, but
Flood warning is canceled.
I don't know. Let's see. Uh-oh.
Why do you have... Oh, that radio.
Virginia. Flood warning in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Replaces flash flood warning. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is occurring. The areas affected include a portion of western Virginia, including the following county, Rockingham. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 7 p.m.
I'll be right back. Hold up.
The public reported flooding in the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Broadway, Singer's Glen,
Who issued that?
Cherry Grove, Sparkling Springs, HTTP,
Oh, there's
/www weather.
special weather to me. I knew that was gonna happen. Called that. Holy crap!
Encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Uh-oh. Wow.
Flash flood warning for central Rockingham County has been replaced with a flood warning.
I was gonna come back down. Oh my god, another one? Oh, watch it go off. What's
The
this?
National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued
Oh.
a severe
Oh,
thunderstorm
crap.
warning
Is that for us?
northwestern Chesterfield County in central
it's not,
Virginia,
but it's
southeastern Goochland County in central Virginia, northeastern Powhatan County in central Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Manikin, or 7 miles west of Tuckahoe, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact,
Crap, where's-
damage to trees
Hello?
and power lines.
Oh.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Manikin around 4:10 p.m. Sabo around 4:15 p.m.
Oh wait, I'm not using this. Get out of here, me. I look like a dingus.
Fine Creek Mills, Maidens, Holly Hills, Johnson Springs, Midlothian, and Subitz. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service
Crazy.
Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter.
Oh,
and
what was that?
Facebook.
Not for us.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, 30 p.m. At 4:01 p.m.
I'm calling if this keeps up. Then we're gonna get issued a severe thunderstorm warning soon.
10-mile source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Manikin around 4:10 p.m. Sabo around 4:15 p.m. Holly Hills, Johnson Springs,
Whoa, what's
Midlothian, and Subitz.
happening over there?
For your
Not really like rotating, so I'm not really worried for it to be a tornado. I'm just curious. Also, don't do this. It's like really starting to thunder. If you can hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. And there's like trees all around me. So like never do this. I'm just stupid and I just want to get good footage for you guys. Okay, it went away. Or did it? Did it? Did it? I don't know. There's a nice little clearing right here. But who knows? I could be the one with the positively / negatively charged particles on my head. Not one of these really tall things. Wow. It's crazy. So stupid, there's a damn tree right there. Why am I doing this? It's because I'm dumb, that's why. Oh, God. Bird scared me for some reason.
Torrential rainfall is also
In order for me to see what I want to see, I gotta get closer to a tree. That just... I love that. I love attempting fate and die. Alright, I'm gonna go back in now, just in case. Oh, they get us from... Yeah, no dip, there's lightning near us. Uh-oh, it's coming now! So I just want to check where the lightning is. Closest lightning strike 2.9 miles away. The rain is now here. Ah, wet. Ah. Oh! What's this?
Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are expected over the area.
What the? That was nothing! You lie! There we go. That's something to worry about.
Southeastern Louisa County,
Oh,
Central Virginia.
uh-oh, what's this?
Southeastern Goodslut County in Central Virginia. West Central Hannibal County in Central Virginia.
Oh,
Until 5 p.m.
Wakefield. Oh, not for us, but it's close.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Sabo, or 8 miles east of Goodslut, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near, earlier around 4:30 p.m. Montpelier around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rockville, Dabby's, Crozier, Monte, Johnson Springs, Goodall, and Modelton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Charlottesville and the surrounding KZZ 28 listening area. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers with thunderstorms likely until midnight. Then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight.
Whoa! Oh, shoot. Yeah, I know. I was coming back out. Wow.
Okay.
Man.
It's really coming down.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Richmond in Central Virginia, Central Chesterfield County in Central Virginia, East Central Powhatan County in Central Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bon Air, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and maple-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bon Air, University of Richmond and downtown Richmond around 5:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Pocahontas State Park, Beach, Midlothian, Sublets, and Chesterfield. patient moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. The severe thunderstorm warning for